you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's throw it back and do a little Stitch Fix unboxing. I haven't done one of these, well, you can probably tell me better than I can, but it's been a while. Stitch Fix and these clothing subscription boxes was what I really started doing here on my channel and loved it. We got away from it, but we're doing one again today. If you're not familiar, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service. So you pay a flat fee. A stylist will curate a box for you based on your wants, your needs, whatever you tell them in a little note that you want, they will curate a box for you. The box gets sent to you, you try everything on, you have a couple of days to decide if you want anything, what you want to keep, you keep and pay for. What you don't want, you send back in a prepaid like shipping little baggie that they send you. So you don't pay for shipping back, but if you don't keep anything, you do lose your $25. I went with the box this month because they were doing a promo waiving the styling fee. So this showed up to my house free of charge. Again, whatever I want and like, I can pay for and keep. My stylist this month was Caitlin. I asked for like flowy oversized sweaters. I did ask for some jeans. I'm just seeing now too that even though I didn't pay the styling fee, they are deducting the $25 as if I did pay it from my total of whatever I decide to keep. Now, if you keep everything, you get a discount of 25%, but any one item you can keep and still get that $25 off. I'll leave a link to sign up if you're interested down below. Okay, so let's go over what was in my box. We'll try everything on. I did notice too, and maybe this is nothing new because I haven't done Stitch Fix in a while, that I got a preview in the app for this box. It was like 8 to 10 items maybe, and I chose 5 of those to come in my box. So I knew exactly what was coming. So I do like that you get to choose some things, this or that. I will say that I didn't love the majority of things in the preview, but it is a new stylist for me, so I feel like it does take a minute to get acquainted with your stylist. Okay, enough rambling. Let's try on these jeans first. Cosmic Blue Love in a size 18W. I thought they were just a regular flare jean. I loved the pull-on waist, but then I noticed there's this embroidered detail here. These are also the softest material. They are a little bit worn on purpose. Like they're brand new jeans, obviously there's tags on them, but they have little worn like spots and details, if you can tell. I think I'll pair the jeans with this top. Y'all know I love a striped like nautical vibes pullover. This is the brand 41 Hawthorne in a size 1X. It's an exaggerated collar, like loosely woven style pullover. Also, I loved the different detail at the bottom, like the stripes are a little bit different. All right, outfit number 1. I do feel like the prices are a little more affordable as well this go round than when I used to get the box, though there is a pair of jeans, it could be these, that are a little bit pricey, but for the most part I felt like everything was a good price point. So let's talk about this pullover first. The fit of this is so good. It's like a cable knit feeling, but again, that loosely woven. Oh, I didn't even notice that the sleeves are the same as the bottom hem of the pullover. This is adorable. I feel like this would be so cute with white linen shorts for like summertime. Just imagine you've been at the beach or the pool all day, you're a little bit sunburned, you throw on this with the shorts for dinner. I like this. I need to go into the app too and see, because I have already checked out. So I need to see if I can rearrange some things because this was one of them that I chose not to keep. But the longer that I wear it, I feel like this, like that idea with the white linen shorts is really perfect. You know what? I have a pair from Old Navy. I'll put them on and insert a little video here. I stand by the fact that these jeans are the softest material. They are too short. And I did make a note of that in the app when I checked out. I'm not quite tall enough for a lot of brands' tall length pants. I'm between 5'8" and 5'9", but I feel like these are just a tad bit too short. When I'm shopping on a store's website, let's say, I will go in and read the inseam length, how tall is the model, what size is she wearing. This way, I'm not allowed to do that. I'm kind of stuck letting a stylist choose, and she does have my height, weight. I don't know if my exact measurements are in there, but I should be saying I need tall length things, so I will remember that for next time. And you can barely see that embroidered detail here. These pockets are fake in the front, they are real in the back. If you're looking for a really great soft pair of pull-on jeans, research this brand because they really do feel like pajamas, not feel like fabric wise, but on your body, because they're pull on and they're so soft and comfy. I feel like this is a really good brand. Before I take off the jeans, let's switch it out for this. This is the brand We Wonder in a size 1X. This reminds me of Golf. tennis, like very sporty type vibes. I love the exaggerated v-neck, how it's down in the front and in the back. But what I think I was most surprised about with this one is it's fleece on the inside. So there's like no chance of being able to see through it, and it's the softest material. This white with the green stripe, adorable. I feel like this is a little bit too small. I would like it in a size or two up, but I like the overall feel, like and look of it. Again, the stripe with the inside that's super soft. If you want something a little bit more fitted, I say go with your true size. I think this one just runs a little bit small, but it's super soft. I don't really need anything, let me not speak that into existence. I was gonna say, I don't really need anything too warm right now, but listen, it's been cold where I live. Could this be cute? Yes, I think it's too small. I went ahead and switched out my jeans. How fun are these with the actual applique, like embroidered type floral detail here. These are also in a size 18. I feel like they run small. These I would like a size or two up. And the longer I wore the pull-on jeans, I feel like a size up would have been a little bit better too. So the sizing's slightly off. These unfortunately are also too short. They are very high-waisted though. They button zip, pockets in the front. The button is sitting an inch, half an inch above my belly button. I noticed when I was putting them on that this detail goes all the way around the side, and I think that is adorable. I like the dark wash of these. I like how high-waisted they are. They do have quite a bit of stretch to them, but the fact that they're too short, number one, I wouldn't keep them, but I do think they're a little bit small. Last item is a tropical top. Number one, we know I love tropical things, but the fact that this is the brand Sugar Lips, I love even more. I've recently, in the past year, less than a year, found Sugar Lips, and I really love their pieces. They're very nice quality for the price, and I am pretty sure this one was actually on sale in my box for 30 bucks. So if I were to keep it, I can actually keep it for $5. This is in a size 1X, has a little clasp here, so it is a wrap style top, but you can hook it here. I love this style top. It's elastic down here at the bottom. I would call these 3/4 sleeves. I don't know if they're meant to be long. I'm inclined to think they're not because there's that much space between the sleeve and my wrist, but there is also elastic here. This is like a silky, slightly silky feeling material. Is this a matching set? That's my number one question. Are there shorts, a skirt, some sort of bottom that matches this? I need to go to the Sugar Lips website. I can't even get my words out because I think this is adorable. The colors bring me to life. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm a summer person through and through. I thrive in the summertime in 100-degree weather. It could be 100 degrees every single day and I would be happy. So this screams Taren. Now, was I right? Was this the one on sale? It is. This is called the Carly Blouse, $30.97. Again, I would get the $25 off, even though I didn't pay it because of a promo this month. Right now, I'm not sure how long the promo was going on for. So essentially I could get this for $5 or $6. For every single item in my box, all 5 items is $295.97. Now, like I mentioned, Stitch Fix does a discount. If you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. That brings the total to $221.98 minus the $25 styling fee. $196.98 to keep every single item in my box. So I have already gone through and checked out and I've not kept anything, but this is the one that's making me rethink that. Like, can I go in and change that if I've already checked out? I should know that because again, I did Stitch Fix unboxings for years, but I don't remember because the fact that I can get this for $5 or $6. All right, I will leave a link down below if you want to try out Stitch Fix. I think in this moment, I have been doing Nuuly, the rented clothing service, and I think that I like that a little bit better than these types of services. It really just depends on what you're dressing for, I guess. But for me, I can rent things like events that I have coming up. Like this month, we have Valentine's Day. We have a hockey game we're going to. We have a concert we're going to. Things that I can rent items for a very low rate and then send them back. So I feel like right now I'm more in that rented clothing space. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Goodbye.